Hello guys, this is FX Bright, the trade guru. So today I just want to show you guys something really important that is going to change your trading for good. Listen, the reason why most people are not successful in this trading is because they do not understand what exactly the market requires from them. For instance, somebody comes to this market, this is step index. Somebody comes to this market, for instance, he says, okay, yeah, this is a resistant area, so yeah, the prices are the resistance area, blah blah blah. So the market is here right now, so you probably have to sell. Look, this is not bad, but if you just analyze the market like this, you won't be able to understand the general perception of the market. You might actually lose this trade. It could be at this very point you're thinking is a resistance area is when the market is just going to make a little retracement and break out. But you came here and you saw a resistance and you're trying to sell. And different things people do in this market to help them understand the market, yet they do not. But today I'm going to teach you guys how to analyze this market with precision. Now guys, follow me, please like and subscribe on this video, on this channel, sorry. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to the highest time frame to understand what the market is doing. So listen, I'm going to go to the weekly time frame, right? So this is the weekly time frame. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull out my trend lines. I'm going to pull out my trend line and I'm going to draw a trend line touching as much as I can on those weeks. So now, what I understand my notion, I always say that price intends to move in a channel. So once I draw that first line, I'm going to draw another second line, like a parallel line to the first one. Then I'm going to transfer that line to the lower parts. And you can obviously see that the market moves. I've already found a way to box the market in a channel. Now that's the first part. Now the second one is I'm going to come to where the price is right now, and from the understanding of this, I've seen that the market was at the bottom of this channel and bought up to the top part of this channel. Now it's probably obvious that the market intends to drop down again to like the bottom of this channel. But this is the weekly time frame. Except you're having like $100,000 account, I'm not sure you want to be trading like a weekly time frame, because this will take several weeks to get to this point. But what we want to do, we want to keep analyzing to see what we're going to do next. Now I'm going to go to the daily time frame. Now from the daily time frame, I'm going to also understand. Let me come to the weekly time frame a little bit, because it's a little bit clearer there. Still on the weekly time frame, remember when price was about going up, when price was going up from the bottom of this place all the way to the top, it also went up in waves, right? So which creates another room for the drawing of channels. So I'm going to pull out another trend line tool and I'm going to draw another trend line, right? So can you see that? Now, like I always tell you, I say price intends to move in a channel. So I'm going to pull out another one, make it parallel, transfer it to the top, and you can see I already boxed price in a very beautiful channel. Now, I'm going to go to the daily time frame just to understand that channel, so you can see what happens here. The market moves in a channel. So now, because of these few things I've done, I've been able to now understand that the market, even though the market has done something. The market has broken this channel, came up for a little retest, and came down. So what do I need to do? So I'm going to keep analyzing. I'm going to go to the lower. Now this is daily time frames. I'm going to go to the 1 hour time frame. Now, if I was in this market, it was simply obvious what to do. Now what some people do, make mistake of doing, is, now this is a 4 hour time frame. This is where we can take trades, but we'll still do a little bit more analysis. Now when the market broke through this place, what somebody will do is somebody begins to take a trade here and calls it a breakout trade. No, that's not how to take trade, guy. You're going to look for where you see as a good resistance and allow the market to get there. Like I told you guys, you don't trade breakouts, you trade retracements after breakouts. So once the market broke out from this place, the market is going to retrace. And listen, guys, the reason why I drew this line on this place is because you can see that the market on this particular place bounced here, came up, broke, made a retest, and came down. So this is the nearest place I can call a very good resistance area. So I'm going to put a line here and just allow the market, when it broke, I'm going to allow the market to buy up to that place. Now, what do I do? Am I saying because the market has gotten to this place now, I'm going to take a trade? No, that's not how to do it. I'm going to come down to the 1 hour time frame to understand the trend that the market used in going up to hit that line. Now, so what am I going to do? I'm going to take out another line and I'm going to draw. And like I always tell you, price intends to move up in a channel. So I'm going to put out another one, make it a little bit parallel. Then I'm going to transfer it to the top. And you can see what is exactly happening. Now this is where I take my trade. Now remember, I put this line here, but that's not where I take my trade. So some people, because they do not understand how to take these trades, what they do is, because I said, because they found this place, they just, once the market gets here, they take their trade. Now listen, it's possible for the market to get here, do some little bit of dancing and go up and break it and keep going. So that's not how to take your trade. The next confirmation you need is for the market to break the trend line in which it used to hit that place, right? So the market is here right now. It came to this place and this is the trend it used. So all we needed to wait for is for the market to break this trend line on this very particular candle here. So this is where we needed that market to break. So on that break, I'm going to go to maybe the 15 minutes time frame to understand how that place happened. So this is the place where the break happened, and a little bit of a 15-minute retracement happened around this place. So guys, on this break is where you take your sell position. You take your sell position on that break. And guys, I'm going to show you how to take your TP. Like, see guys, I'm not even about to hide things. Like, I'm telling you guys how the trade works. And I'm doing this just for free. But look guys, there are intricate details that I can tell you guys about this market. But listen, just follow my channel and do like and subscribe and turn on the bell notifications. Now, so see guys, as the market broke this particular place, then you can take your sell. You can take your sell on this place and take it all the way down. How I like to take it is I like to use the Fibonacci and I maybe just take it to 100 Fibonacci or like a 88.8 Fibonacci, somewhere around there. I will do another video where I'll teach you guys how to add levels to your Fibonacci. If you already know how to do that, then that's fine. So this is what the market did. So this is how to trade the market, guys. You have to allow these things happen. And like I said, I was supposed to show you guys how the market moved even all the way to this point. You can see that the market came down like this all the way down to this point with also a channel, right? So that place became a very huge confluence for us. So if I put it on parallel, you can see how that the market, how that line, that red area we crossed, remember that support area became a very good confluence. So we have this parallel line, we have this trend line coming, we have this one going up. So the market came up to that very good resistance area, so it was bound to keep coming down. But guys, it doesn't mean you come here and sell. You have to wait for it to break this, and on the break of this, you take your sell and you're going to get that good move. So this is how to trade the market, guys. I hope this video was informative. I hope it helps you a lot. So please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.